Welcome back programmers. In the today's section we are gonna see how you can create the logout button in Django. So this is my account app and this is my URL. I created the login function and URL, and so on. So I created the logout URL and the logout function. So the simplest way to log out from user is, you can see this is my home. You can see hello test. It is showing me the username which logged in, and it is showing me the logout button. But what if I log out and go in the home again? You can see this is not showing me the hello and the name. So if I just go in here and register, or you can say login, you can see this is seeing me the test. So now how you can create the logout button? So the simplest way to do is, you have to check first if request.method equal to post. So this is my home page. You can see this is my home page. Now I am displaying the hello name. So name is my username, which I passed username equal to request.user.username. So I am displaying the username. But in here you can see I created the form for button, the logout button, which help us to redirect to the logout URL. Now you can see form action equal to URL logout. Now what is this logout? Now you can see the logout is this, my logout URL and name equal to logout. You have to add the name equal to logout, otherwise this is not gonna work. I passed the URL keyword in the logout, my logout URL name, and method equal to post. And because I use the method equal to post, which we have to use in this algorithm, I am using this CRF token. If you are using post, you have to use this CSRF token, and I just created the button logout. Now you can see whenever we click the button, whenever we click this button, it is gonna redirect in the logout URL. Now where is the logout URL? You can see, yes, this is the logout URL. Now in this logout URL I called the logout function. Now where the hell is the logout function, which is in the views? So let's go in the views. Now automatically it is gonna call this logout function. Now in the logout function you can see if request.method equal to post, because whenever we just go in this link, so this is the get request. You can see I just redirected in this URL, so it means this is the get method. But if I just click in logout, so it is gonna be the post request. So if request.method equal to post, in the simple way, if someone click on the button, I'm gonna use the logouts and pass the request. So it is gonna log out the current user, which is test, and I'm returning the redirect home. You can redirect anywhere you want, but I'm redirecting home. Now you are thinking, where is the logouts? So you have to import from django.contrib.auth, import logout. I just imported as logout, sir. I just add s because I have already created the logout function. So don't be confused. I just add s because I already used the logout name in here. So please don't add the same name in the function and in this function, because you are gonna get the error if you use the same name. Okay, so I just used the logout from django.contrib.auth, and then I just simply use this request, which is the current user, and use this logout function and just pass the request if someone click on the button, if request.method equal to post. So that's the logic of how you can log out. Let's try. If you can see, this is the post request. Now I'm seeing this, please register or login. This is my blog home, but if I just go in the home log, you can see I'm not seeing any name in here because no one is now logged in. So that's the magic of Django. That's how you can create the logout function using the django.contrib.auth. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, so just like this video, share this video to other web developer, comment me if you missed anything, or if you wanna see different in the next video, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. So that is it for today's guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.